What does it mean to be strong? It implies hardness and flexibility. It usually does. But in this field, you have to holster more than that.
Intense sport. Wait, I'll go there. Everyone's sleeping down. Woohoo! Oh my god. Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh my god. Good morning. Just got off to extraction point.
Hi! Hi!
No guides.
Scared.
Brought ropes. Life boy. There's a guy peeing. His name is Paul. Yeah.
Ang galing ribbon because of the song, Simon. Remember we picked coffee.
We brought ribbon because in case we get lost. There's no guide. June in the house. It's been a while. Kervin. Boy Poops. Slew. Man, welcome back.
Hello!
And of course, Nong. We saw you. Did number 2. 2.
I'm saying this with ego out of the window. The trip to the small ridge gave answers to our daringness in its own unique way. It's a story we out to carry. Our ordinary, moderate Saturday climb menu offered a delightful, quintessential series of events. Pouring cats and dogs, 70-degree ascents and descents that intimately hint a lot of dangers.
Alright, we're in the forested part ascending after several river crossings and we got lost. Now in the ridge, look at this, so dangerous, so narrow. This and then this is like cliff when you fall. Steep ascent. Ooh. Yep, it's a cliff. It's afraid of heights. A very narrow path. You can step on the tree. Critical. Good job, Kervin. Woohoo! Look at that. Beautiful. Going up there. Off the ridge. Over there. Woohoo! Check this out, Kervin.
Oh, damn.
Yeah! Look at that! Oh. Small but terrible. Living the life. I'm gonna rescue you. That's a huge drop. Yo, congrats, man. Yep. Congrats, dude. Paul, glad you're here with us. Congrats, Lou. Congrats, man. Yee. Congrats, Nong. Yeah.
Yay! Summit!
Yay! Hey, Fern. Congrats.
I'm here!
Congrats. Congrats! Oh, look at those clouds moving fast to the gorge. It's drizzling again! Tinulak ako ni... Woo! intense sliding! Woo! Woohoo! Woohoo! One of 20 slides. More to come. And it's still steep going down.
Slip and slide, bitches.
Muddy!
Uy! Oops!
Oh my god. Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh my god.
I couldn't foresee the slide. Wait, I just...
Yeah. Ooh, beating.
A river crossing that bestowed trials and tribulations. An hour and a half to cross a current strong enough to let you experience what it's like inside of a pinball machine.
Up, guys! Woo! Intense river crossing! Moderate! Moderate! Woo! Moderate!
Rock scrambling and free soloing slippery marble rocks, so we just avoid falling into a considerable volume of water with a depth extending far downwards.
In few sentences, can you tell me what happened, guys, earlier?
Simon lied to us. Simon. That's all we need to say. Moderate.
Do you agree?
Rizal.
Do you agree?
No.
Before we sink, here's the team. End of track. So here's the
What an adventure.
sketchy boat ride. Woo! Moderate.
We even rode a makeshift motorized boat that's ready to capsize at any point, that had to pass under a small bamboo bridge at 20 kilometers an hour. We all docked.
Ay, na solid. Yeah.
It coincides with getting lost and shivering under the rain. Well, you get the picture. It all sounds grisly, but the truth is, it produced mirth and explosive sounds of laughter. We heckled at ourselves while we earned bruises. We still had a good amount of visibility and was blessed with a great view, but it wasn't the greatest ace. The biggest lesson is we discover more of ourselves and our friends in this kind of dealings. One of the few things you get from outdoors is to show this trait of power and ability to refine your skills and bond to your friends and to nature. That you can have the heedful anticipation of the needs of the people around you, whether it's the folks you travel with, to yourself, or to the community that dwells along. Our passion is our shelter from the storm.